Checking your account balance on StartEngine is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial information. Step 1. Log in. Visit the StartEngine website and click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password associated with your account to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is where you can find an overview of your investments and account details. Step 3. Locate the account balance section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your balance. Click on the account balance section to view a detailed breakdown of your funds. This may include available cash, invested amounts, and any pending transactions. Step 5. Log out. After reviewing your account balance, remember to log out of your account for security purposes. Click on your profile icon and select Log Out to ensure your information is protected. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on StartEngine. Regularly monitoring your balance helps you stay informed about your investments.